It's talking about dry up, right? Dry. So it's related with an oil spill? No, right? It's related with a drought, right? So they are talking about a drought.
Excellent. So let's move on to the fourth headline. Icy conditions shut down roads and close schools across the city.
So in this headline, they are saying that the schools and the roads are closed due to the icy conditions, right?
So what could it be? It is very simple.
Yes, it's a winter storm.
Okay, so the fifth one, sea life threatened as toxic substances leak out into the Gulf of Mexico.
In this headline, they are saying that something is leaked out into the sea, right? So what could it be? Can it be a bomb?
No.
Yes, so it's an
Oil spill.
Yes.
Well done, students. Okay, so here is the last headline. Massive explosions set off in financial district.
In this one, they are saying about explosion, right? So this one is related with the remaining one, right? So it's a bomb. You did a great job, students.
Man-made disasters. What are human-made disasters? It is a disaster resulting from human intent, negligence, or error. It can be both intentional and unintentional. It results in huge loss of life and property. It further affects a person's mental, physical, and social well-being. Do you know what is the other name for human-made disaster? It is also known as man-made disasters. Let's have a look at some more examples of human-made disasters. Fire, building collapse, chemical disaster, oil spill, road accident, sea accident.
Why there are so many question marks on this box?
Don't you know? It's a mysterious box.
So now we are going to do our next activity. In this activity, name cards of disasters are inside this mysterious box.
So your task is to identify the disaster, whether it is a natural disaster or human-made disaster.
We will be giving you 5 seconds to answer each question. So now I think you all are very much excited to do this activity.
So let's not waste time, and here we come with our first card. Yes.
Fire. What do you think? Where does this card fits? Is it a natural disaster or a human-made disaster?
Yes, you are right. It is a human-made disaster.
So now let's go for the next one.
Yes, chemical disaster. So where does it fit? Is it a natural disaster or human-made disaster? Yes, you are right.
It is a human-made disaster.
Okay, the third card. Let's see.
Tsunami. What could it be? Is it a natural or a human-made disaster?
I am sure you all know this answer.
Yeah, very good. It's a natural disaster. So now let's go for the next card. Can you read it?
Yes, it is road accident. Is it a natural disaster or a human-made disaster?
Yes, you're right. It's a human-made disaster.
Okay, here we go with the next card.
What is it? Nuclear disaster. Where does it fit? Is it a natural or a human-made disaster?
Yes, you are great. It is a human-made disaster.
Let's see what is next.
Yes, flooding. Where does it fit? Is it a natural disaster or human-made disaster?
Yeah, I heard it. You said that it's a natural disaster, right? Very good.
Okay, next one.
What is it? Earthquake. Where does it fit?
Is it a natural disaster or a human-made disaster? Excellent. You are doing a great job.
It's a natural disaster, right? Okay. So next one. Oil spill.
Where could it be? Is it a natural disaster or a human-made disaster?
Wow. Interesting. You're doing it so well, right? It's a human-made disaster.
Yes, here we go with our last card. What could it be?
It's building collapse.
So, is it a natural disaster or a human-made disaster? Wow, you are great. It is a human-made disaster.
Okay, so now these are the things which came under each category. So let's see what are the things once more.
Natural disasters. Tsunami, flooding, earthquake.
Human-made disasters. Fire, chemical disaster, road accident, nuclear disaster, oil spill and building collapse.
Road accidents. Some of the common behavior of humans which results in accidents are overspeeding, drunken driving, distractions to driver, red light jumping. Mostly these road accidents happen due to the negligence of human activities.
ಏನೇನೇ ಲೈಟಾണ് ഈ വായ്ഫസ്
ಜಯವಾಗುತ್ತದೋ ಹೇಳಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಮಿಸಾಲನ್ನು ಜಯಿച്ചു ಬರುತ್ತದು
Sea accidents. It happens because of poor maintenance, lack of training or improper supervision of personnel involvement. Most of the sea accidents are caused by toxic chemical burns and electrical injuries. Same like road accidents, sea accidents also mostly happens because of the carelessness of human beings. Fire accidents. Bushfires, forest fires and mine fires are generally started by lightning but also by human negligence or arson. Fire results in heavy damage to both in terms of life and property. Loss of life is high in a crowded building. For example, let's look at Mali city where in one building so many people live. So, if a fire is caused, the risk of damage is high. Now let's see some precautionary measures to handle fire. Let's see some of the human-made disasters in detail. Chemical disaster. It is a disaster that are caused by the excessive use and misuse of chemicals in industries. By their nature, the manufacture, storage and transport of chemicals are accidents waiting to happen. The irresponsible handling of powerful chemicals can cause widespread devastation. Chemicals can be toxic and they may react often explosively. The impacts of chemical accidents can be deadly for both human beings and environments. There are various precautionary measures that we can take to prevent from chemical disasters, such as industries using harmful and powerful chemicals should be located far away from residential areas. That means it is important to keep those chemicals in places where people doesn't live. There should be surveys to keep on check on their activity. The government should formulate an emergency plan. In case of an accident, pollution level should be checked and maintained. Building collapse. Building collapse simply means the breakdown of a structure. It happens when the load applied to the building is too much that the foundation and other structural elements of a building cannot resist or carry the load applied. Here are some of the reasons for human-made disasters. There are multiple factors that may relate to human-made disasters. Ignorance, unawareness, illiteracy, carelessly handling danger, chemical, and weapon.
Oh my god, what are you holding?
Don't you know it's a fire extinguisher and it is used to control fire and often used in emergency situations.
We all have to take preventive measures to reduce the risk of human-made disasters.
Prevention of human-made disasters. Here are some of the ways to prevent human-made disasters. By raising awareness, following a systematic approach to identify, assess and reduce the risk. Regular inspection and adopting precautionary measures including emergency preparedness. Safe Island concept. A safe island is a development project that focuses on involving local citizens in defining, measuring and increasing community safety with the overall objective of improving the prevention strategy. The aim of the program was to protect the islands from natural and other hazards. The government initially raised the concept of Safer Islands program following the 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami in the Maldives. Environmental protection is therefore a key ingredient in risk reduction initiatives within Maldives.
Can you guess what we are going to do next?
Yes, we are here with another interesting activity. So here you can see different phases of die. A question card will be hidden in each phase of die.
So I am going to roll this die and the face that you get, you have to answer that question.
So let's start.
So I am going to roll it. Let's see what we get.
Okay, which phase it is? First phase. Let's see the first one. A disaster resulting from human intent, negligence or error is known as?
What disaster is it talking about?
Yes, here it is talking about human.
Yes.
So, what could it be? Yes, I heard the answer. It is human-made disasters.
Well done, students. Now let's go for the next one.
Okay, this time it is 5. Let's see the fifth phase. Human-made disasters can be prevented by A. By raising awareness, B. Regular inspection, C. Adopting precautionary measures, D. All of the above. So, what is the right answer? Here there are 4 options.
What are the things that we can do to prevent human-made disasters? We have discussed it in our lesson, right?
Yes, you are right. It is all of the above, because all the 3 are the things that you can do to prevent human-made disasters.
Wow, you're doing a good job. Okay? So let's roll it again.
Yes, this time it is 3rd phase. So let's see. What kind of disaster is this?
Here you can see a picture, right? Look at the picture and can you tell us what kind of disaster it is? You can see a car and a cycle, right?
Yes, you are right. It is road accident.
Yes, road accident is an example of a
Human-made
disaster, right? Okay, so now let's see the next one.
Yes, this time it is 2nd phase. So 2nd phase, dash is an example of a human-made disaster. Here you can see 2 options, A. Hurricane, B. Oil spill. So can you tell me which one is the right answer?
Is it hurricane or oil spill? It's talking about a human-made disaster, right?
Yes, I think I heard the answer. Can you repeat? Yes, it is oil spill, because hurricane is a natural disaster, right?
Yeah. Excellent, students. Okay, so let's see the next one.
Okay, this time it is 6th phase. Oh, it's a free pass. You are
Right.
lucky.
Yeah. Superb, students. Let's roll it again.
Yes, this time it is 4th phase. So let's see. Human-made disaster is also known as. Can you tell me the other name given for human-made disaster?
We have discussed it in our lesson, right? What is the other name for human-made disaster?
Yes, can you repeat it? Yes, it is man-made disaster.
disasters. Yes. Now we have finished all the phases, right? So this is the end of this activity. Okay? You all did a very good job. So give yourself a thumbs up.
Now it's your turn. You're going to select a human-made disaster that you are aware of and find out the cause and impact of that disaster. And then you're going to write in your opinion what would be the precautionary measures that can be taken to prevent such disaster. You can do this work in your science notebook.
I am sure you have learned many examples of human-made disasters. So now can you name any 3 examples of human-made disasters?
Yes, I think I heard it right. What did you say? Road accident,
Fire,
and oil spill. There are many other examples too. So can you tell us some ways to prevent human-made disasters?
yes, by raising awareness
Regular inspection.
and taking precautionary measures.
So these are the things that we have learned from today's lesson, right? So give yourself again a thumbs up if you know all these things.
So that's all for today's lesson
We hope you all enjoyed learning with us.
and had a very great time with us.
Hope to see you again, inshallah.
Stay home,
Stay safe.
Bye-bye.